Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and always remember that this channel has an interesting content and always sharing with you a YouTube video tutorials, how to make money online, personal blogs and travel blogs. So hope that you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, today I will be sharing my earnings for the past few months after my channel was monetized last February. And if you are new to my channel, kindly scroll down to my videos and there was a shared the steps on how to monetize your YouTube channel account, and it was a short video so it won't spare a lot of time for you to.
Okay, Google AdSense, nandito na. Open na natin. Kinakabahan man ako. Paano ito buksan?
In my case, due to sent in Thailand of my Google AdSense PIN, it takes for me 3 months to receive before it finally arrives. So the AdSense will only give us 4 months, and for your information, for the verification of our Google payment and information. But also due to pandemic, there are unnecessary and troubles that cause for the delay. So by rights, it was stated in the email that the standard to receive our PIN is only 2 to 3 weeks. So if you are not able to receive your PIN or you didn't do manually within 4 months, our ads will be terminated too. So but luckily, there is another way for us to do instead of waiting the hard copy of our PIN. And the other words, after 3 weeks, since the first Google payment sent to you your email of your PIN, you can start to resubmit or request a new PIN from your Google AdSense account. So remember, it is 3 weeks after you resubmit or after you can resubmit your PIN. So do it 3 times. Do it 3 times while your PIN is still not arrived. So after 3 times of resubmitting, you will be able to do it by your own manually, so for the verification of your identity or payment. So after 24 hours, you can receive an email stated that they are already manually your PIN and you are not required to input your PIN in the future. So after you successfully completed your verification of payment or identity, you can finally get paid to put your bank accounts and submit tax forms to avail their 15% less from your earnings or revenue. If you don't have tax form, they will take at least 30% of your earnings. So don't forget, so it will be a burden for you to get your salary with a high discount. So please do comply this important action to do. Submit bank accounts and submit tax forms at the same time while you are waiting your PIN. You can do your tax form into their website. And now finally, I received my first salary in YouTube, and in related to that, there is a concern question for me to answer. And for the English, after being monetized, when you are totally earned, this is the question from my friends. Specific earnings will start after you reach the YouTube Partner Program or YPP. So if you reach the requirements of the YouTube, which is the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 subscribers, the YouTube Partner Program or YPP will send you an email that you are successfully partnered with them. You just need to reach a $10 threshold or revenue for us to be able to get the PIN. So if you don't have $10 threshold, you will not receive a PIN from them, and this PIN number will serve us to open our Google AdSense to get paid. So if you don't have PIN, you cannot open your Google AdSense and you will not be able to get paid as well. So after you get your PIN number or the $10 threshold, Google AdSense required us to have at least another $100 threshold in order to withdraw our earnings or revenue. So if you are less $100 earnings, you cannot withdraw your money into this account. So now I'm gonna share to you how I receive my salary. So as per required, we should have a wireless bank account that link in our Google Payments so that they can automatically send our salary into this account. So remember, wireless account, don't put any check or you just select the wireless account there and you can key in your personal bank accounts. If you don't have personal bank accounts, you might use your friends' accounts as well or your family account. It is not, or it will not affect into your getting paid from the YouTube. What is the most convenient bank for me? So after a massive searching within which one is the best or review about receiving salary on YouTube, out of my personal banks, I prefer to use Asia, United Bank Corporation, or the Hello Money, and indeed it has a smooth transaction from Google AdSense payment to Hello Money to BPI and lastly to GCash. So now I will show you how I transfer my funds from BPI to GCash. And now I am revealing to you how much was my salary or my first salary in YouTube. So when I mentioned a while ago, I started to monetize last February and the end of February. So I get earned from March and April, and this May, May 21, I received their first email that I have my first salary in YouTube. I will be showing you my email, the email sent to me before they gave to me my salary. So April, May 20, Google AdSense sent to me an email, check your recent payment. It was last May 20. So because it was my first salary, they are not able to give fully of my earnings from the previous month. So I thought it's like that, but it's not. In the other day, in the next day, I received another email that they already sent to me my April earnings. So I will show you my email. To scroll it, okay? So this one, on last May 22, they already sent to me that check your recent payment. This earnings or revenue, my earnings last April. So on the this May, I received my salary, 2 months of my salary from YouTube. That was March and April, and the total is 17,700 pesos. That was my first ever salary in YouTube. So I am very happy to have it. So as I mentioned, when I received my salary from YouTube, it was 17,700 pesos. And I choose to send it into my personal bank accounts, which is the BPI or Bank of the Philippine Island, and I stated here I want to send 17,690 pesos. It's just because they have a convenience or transaction fee of 8 pesos. So you just need to follow or fill the important information in this bank transferring. So successfully, I have my 17,690 into my BPI account, and very smooth and convenient for me. So I choose the Hello Money to use in salary receiving. So I key in or I link my Hello Money as a primary bank or wireless bank account into my Google AdSense. And finally, I have this encircled 17,600 pesos into my BPI transferred by Hello Money with 8 pesos convenience fee or transaction fee. And now I will be showing to you how I get this into my personal bank, because I am living here in abroad, so I cannot able to withdraw my money from BPI account, so I need to transfer it via GCash. So it's very convenient to my family to withdraw this money into my GCash ATM card. And now, I will show you how I transfer my funds or my YouTube salary from BPI account to GCash, to my GCash account. So I choose BPI accounts just because their charges a transfer fee of 25 pesos for per InstaPay transaction. It's only 25 pesos for every transaction that you made pay for BPI. But currently, BPI offers the e-load wallet service for cashing into GCash for free. So there is no transaction fee when you are going to cash in your funds from BPI to GCash. So now, how I transfer my funds, just click the cash in, and of course, you can just transfer your funds from here if you already link your accounts into your GCash account. So now just click the BPI. It's because I will use my YouTube salary to my BPI to transfer it to my GCash account. And here you just need to key in how much you want to transfer. It's, for example, I want to transfer 17,000. So this 7,000, just click your next and just confirm. And you will receive the code from your own number that is stating that you are going to transfer this money into your GCash account. So we just need to take the PIN sending into your GCash number. And now I finally sent the code into my BPI and just okay. And now finally I received my first YouTube salary that was transferred into my Asia United Bank Corporation and transferred into Bank of the Philippine Island with a transaction fee of 8 pesos and lastly transferred into my GCash wallet that is zero or free transaction. So I hope this will help you in the future. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel.